level 0. Voice level 0. Sweetie, sit down. I'm going to give you instructions in a second. You need to be a voice level 0 facing up here. Harmony, voice level dictation 0. Voice level expectation is 0. Supply captains, go ahead and pass out notebooks. Supply captains, notebooks. If you are not a supply captain, you need to be seated and silent. That is not your okay. He's going to see here today. He's going to see here today. Yes, Edward. We're going to have to wait on that. Friends! Mariana, go ahead and go to class. You need your notebook on your desk. Then your eyes need to be up here waiting for instructions. Take a seat. Your chair is good. Okay, we're confused. Take a seat. Take a seat. All eyes need to be up here. Now, supply captain, you need to pass out notebooks. If you are still missing your notebook, I will call your name. You're going to silently come get it. Camille, once you have your notebook, I'm sorry, go take a seat. I should leave instructions before I eyes up here, friends. Eyes up here. So once you have your notebook, you know what you're doing. Your voice needs to be off. Your eyes need to be up here. I have Tavon's eyes. I have Nadaja's eyes. I'm still waiting on a lot of friends. I have Armando's eyes. Okay. This is what we're going to do. What you need to do is copy this into your notebook. We're going to go over why these steps are important in a second. I want it in your notebook so you can reference it later. Okay? Voice level is 0. You're copying this into your notebook. You need to stay seated unless you have permission to move. Okay, I got it. I got it. Yes, Jamie. Go for it. No, put it in your notebook. Yes, Jamie. We'll go away. Hold on. Mario. Start working on this first. Armani. Camille automatically opens up her notebook at her table of contents. You're on page 18. Oh, I'm sorry, friends. I forgot that you're on a different page in my other class. So, you are going to be on page 19. I apologize for making a mistake. I think it needs to be in your seat.
I left my pills over there.
Yes, Kenneth. Go for it. Yes, Tyrion. Yes. Sam, how can I help you? Dennis has your pencil. Okay, so I can let you borrow needs to go to the restroom. Isaiah, go to the restroom. Yes, Priscilla. Priscilla. Wait a second. Yes, Marion. Yes, go to the restroom. Yes. Go. Yes, Octavius. I'll have to sharpen one for you. Yes. Andre. You can't go right now. There's too many people. There's people waiting for the pencil sharpener, so you're gonna have to wait on that too. Yes, Stephanie. Where's your pencil? Hurry. Yes, okay, I will make sure you get there. Harmony, how can I help you? Huh? You're gonna have to wait on it. Friends that have sharpened pencils, you need to be copying this anchor chart. At this point in the game, you have 3 more minutes. Take a seat, raise your hands. Bison table. Difficult expectation is 0. Yes, Harmon. Yes. 2 more minutes. Harmony, voice of expectation is 0. Where's your journal? Sweetie, I don't have it. You have about 1 more minute to have this in your journal. What's wrong? What did you write with the pen? Quintavious, come sharpen this pencil. Who else needed a pencil? Okay. Does anyone else need a pencil? More seconds. chart so you'll have a little bit of extra time to talk about it. Come into the classroom. Sorry, no. Thank you, Dixie. Alright, but before we go over the chart, there's some other things we need to go over in reference to tomorrow. So, you got to see your test scores. I'm sorry, all that should be up here. I'm sorry. There shouldn't be a response. Now, most of you got to see your test scores from the last test yesterday. Because, I'm sorry, all eyes need to be up here, your voices need to be off. I have Kenneth's eyes, I have Nadesia's eyes, I have Destiny's eyes, but I'm still waiting on a lot of friends. The rest are Bison table. Now, because of the hurricane and the days we missed, we have to push up a test, which means you will be taking a test tomorrow. But what we're going to do today is we're going to focus on what is on the test tomorrow. I'm sorry. What is on the test tomorrow? Sorry, please scoot over there. What is on the test tomorrow is you answering questions about a biography. Sorry, if you can't get this thing on the carpet, you're going to have to go back to your seat. You're answering questions about a biography tomorrow on your test. You are going to focus on doing the same today so that we can all be successful tomorrow. The chart that you just wrote in your journal, we're going to go over it and how it can help us tomorrow. Okay? Now we're moving to the chart. Anyone done copying this in their journal? I'm sorry. That was my bad. Okay. Raise your hands if you are done copying this in your journal. Okay, friends that are not done, you have my permission to be writing while we're talking. Okay? So you can get this into your journal. That's not how you got your glasses. Now, these are strategies that I use to answer questions about a text. Alright? The first thing I do is I ask myself, what is this question asking me for? So, if I ask you the question, when is Miss McDaniel's birthday? What am I looking for? Raise your hand, silently raise your hand. What am I looking for, Destiny?
The month and the day.
The month and the day. I'm looking for a month, a day, and probably a year. I'm looking for a date. That's what the question is asking me for, okay? Number 2, then I'm going to think about where did I read that in the text? Tariana, please move back to your seat. Where did I read about Miss McDaniel's birthday in the text? Was it in the beginning of the story? Was it in the middle? Was it at the end? Then